Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a post on Instagram. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. The next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. Select the picture or the video that you want to schedule for the post. I'm going to select this picture. I'm going to select maximum of 5 pictures. And for you to do that, simply click on here. The next thing you need to do is to select the rest of the picture. I'm going to select this. That's 2. I'm going to select this, making 3. I'm going to select this, making 4. I'm selecting this, making 5. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. Then it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to move to the next. That's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to add our caption right here. Now I'm going to click on here and paste my caption right here. Having done with my caption, next thing I need to do is to simply scroll down right here. And I'll make sure I click on here, more options. That's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to turn on this particular button. Then this is going to pump up. Then we need to select the time at which we want this post to be scheduled. So I'm going to schedule this particular post in this date of the month. Then I have to change the time from here. So I'm going to post this at exactly 6 p.m. So I'm going to make sure I leave it in p.m. That is, this post is going to be shared on my page at this particular time. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on done right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back. Then you can see now it has changed to schedule. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on schedule right here. It's as simple as that. If I go back to my profile, you see that the post is not available on my profile. The post will only be available when it is the time when the time I schedule is completely. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to schedule posts. For Instagram account. For more tutorial about Instagram topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.